Well, right now, I want to check in with Carson Meredith and talk about what we can expect weather-wise after that weekend. I don't know what could get better, maybe warmer temperatures.
Yeah, warmer temperatures, Chris. That's
Yeah.
going to be the big headline this week. There are little in the way of rain chance to talk about in our entire 7-day forecast. We'll just be seeing a lot of sunshine over the next 5 days. Show you what's happening right now on the Wade 31 Skycam network. We've got those updated 11 o'clock temperatures now. 71 here in Huntsville, 67 in Decatur, also 67 in Guntersville, and it's 70 on the dot over at Alabama A&M. If you look closely, we have some of that thin, wispy cloud cover across much of North Alabama. A little bit more than we anticipated. So those forecast highs today, we've actually dropped them a couple of degrees. Still a very nice Monday in store. We'll wind up in the low 80s when all is said and done. It is also a bit breezy out there. These are your sustained winds here at 11 o'clock. 15 miles per hour here in Huntsville, about 13 miles per hour in Decatur, and everybody else is around 10 miles per hour. And this wind is coming out of the south and southeast, so a nice warm breeze in addition to the already comfortable temperatures on this Monday. We are going to stay dry, of course, on the Wade 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. I mentioned we've dropped those forecast highs just a little bit, but I think we're still in the low 80s before all is said and done today, 82 to be exact. Have any Monday night plans should be just fine. It'll be pretty mild still by 7 o'clock this evening, right around 77, and then into the upper 60s by 10 o'clock tonight. Allergy sufferers, there's at least some improvements with that pollen, mainly the tree pollen. Now that everything is starting to be in full bloom, we should start to see that tree pollen wane just a little bit over the next couple of weeks. The big troublemaker will be that grass pollen, staying in the very high category for at least the next 3 days, likely longer. So let's go through future radar. 3-4 o'clock this afternoon, a good bit of sunshine with some of that cloud cover passing by. High temperatures in the low 80s. When you wake up Tuesday morning, really a carbon copy of what we saw this morning. Mostly clear skies, comfortable temperatures hovering on either side of that 60-degree mark. And starting tomorrow, we begin our warming trend. I think tomorrow will still feel more like spring than summer, but still warm nonetheless, topping out in the mid to upper 80s tomorrow afternoon. And then by Wednesday, that's when it starts to feel like summer. A summer preview, we'll call it. I think both Wednesday and Thursday are our best chances to have those highs hit 90 degrees for the first time this year. But that's about as far as we'll get, right at 90 degrees. And you see that tiny cool down as we head towards Friday and the weekend. And that comes with slight rain chances by both Saturday and Sunday. So with those warmer temperatures, we obviously have to ask, is the humidity coming back? Not exactly. Notice this kind of tug of war, if you will, between the drier air off to our east and that more humid air you can wear off to our west. I think the bulk of that more humid air will stay to our west along the Mississippi River Valley, but it might feel just a bit muggy, especially if you're west of I-65 as we get towards Wednesday and Thursday. But all in all, this is a nice weather pattern for early to mid-May. Show you that 7-day forecast. There are 0 rain chance to talk about through Friday. As far as the weekend is concerned, doesn't look like a complete washout, but we'll have that chance for a few spotty showers on Saturday with a bit higher coverage on Sunday. Despite those rain chances, though, our highs remain in the upper 80s with those overnight lows in the 60s. Chris?
All right.